Tianjin Taishouxing International Company Limited was founded in 2011, located in Jinghai County, Tianjin City, China. The traffic is very convenient, 190 kilometers far away from Beijing Capital International Airport and 80 kilometers from Tianjin Binhai International Airport. The main products are scaffolding prop, scaffolding frame, steel formwork, scaffolding plank, scaffolding pipe, and other related accessories. Our cooperation company have introduced a series of advanced automatic machinery. Monthly output is around 30,000 tons. We dedicate to strict quality control and force for customer service. OEM and ODM are both available. We adopt quality following system to make customers be assured of the quality. We will continue to provide the customers the best quality and price. How does we perform the service? Hassle-free service, pre-sale, parameter confirmation. Recommend the exact model and sample test. Welcome customers to visit the production base. Assist solve all problem of scaffolding and formwork until satisfactory. On sale. Assist the customers to follow up production progress. Assist the customer's detection and issued quality qualified report. Assist the customer to arrange the shipment. Assist the customer's survey logistics situation. After sale, provide complete instructions and related accessories. Assist in products assembly and using. Assist in training for customers' operator. Take feedback of the products and services from the customers and provide improvement. Warmly welcome to visit our factory and contact us at any time.